Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you are doing? Today's video is on detailed 3-part coily lace closure sew-in installed. 4 bundles of hair coily wig tutorial. Now that is the closure that we are using, is a 3-part coily lace closure. Okay, and okay, so the hair I'm going to be using today is from Jol Hair, and it's 4 bundles and it's of different length, and the hair is soft, light, and it's durable. It doesn't look that obvious synthetic. Yes, so it's a beautiful hair, coily hair. Yes, I love coily hair. Okay, so to begin, I had to place the closure on the mannequin at the middle, and I had to use my pins to secure it so it doesn't move, and I started sewing it. I usually begin sewing by knotting the ends firmly, and then as soon as I start sewing, I sew freely. I do not knot, so I just sew like that till I get to the middle of the closure, and that's when I knot it again. Okay, and I have a video on lace closure installation, my previous video, so you can go and watch it. All right, so I'm already at the middle of this closure now, and I'm just going to knot it at the middle, okay, to go and begin from the other side. So I don't just sew round to the other end, no. So I stop at the middle knot and I go begin from the other end now, like you're seeing, and I am knotting it now so it will be firm. Okay, and then I begin sewing freely. Yes, I do not knot, and the thread I'm using is this single thread, okay, not the one that is 4. So I just double a single thread, that's it. Okay, and I continue to sew again till I get to the middle again, okay, of the closure. You can see what I am doing. So I'm just going to sew until I get to the point where I'm going to knot it. I knot several times so that it will be very firm. Okay, so you can see that that is what I'm doing. I'm knotting it now. Yes, so it's going to be very firm. Okay, so that's it for the sew-in closure, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, okay, for more updates. Okay, so I'm just going to begin sewing from the back now, which is just to sew from one end to the other, and then you flip. And since I'm starting now, I'm going to knot it several times so that it will be firm before I start sewing. Okay, and as you can see, I have started sewing now from one point to the other end, and as I do this, I'm going to be knotting it in between, okay, as I sew. It's not just going to be the free sewing anymore. That was for the closure, so I will be knotting as I sew. So I'm already at the other end, as you can see. Okay, so I'm already at the other end. I'm going to knot it, okay, before I flip. So that is it. See, I had to flip it to continue, and I used my pins to secure it from one end to the other. Okay, so I'm just going to continue the process. So it's the same thing, just sew from one end to the other end. Okay, so basically that is what I'm going to be doing till I get to the point where the closure is. Okay, so I sew, I knot till I cover up the space that is left. Okay, so you can see that this is actually the last line, okay, from the closure. So I'm just going to sew closely around the closure. Okay, so I'm sewing it round from one end to the other end. This is the very last line, okay, to finish up the wig. So that is it. Okay, so continue to sew, knot neatly. You see, I'm already at the other end of the wig, so I'm almost done. Okay. So please, again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell, and so that when there's a notification, you'll be the first to get it. Okay, and do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, then I have to cut off the extension from the closure, because I'm not going to leave it like that. Okay, so I just have to cut it off, and I have to cut underneath the net where the closure is resting on. Okay, because if I don't cut it off, it's going to make the pattern on the closure not to be very visible. Okay, and I want it to be visible. Okay, so I'm just going to cut around it. That's exactly what I am doing. You have to be very, very careful here so you don't ruin your work. Okay, so it's out now. You see how it looks. Okay, very neat. So I enjoyed styling my hair. Okay, I had to style it all back. Oh, I look beautiful. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Okay, so I had to style it again from the side. So that's the side parting. Okay, beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. I love it. And you can see how gorgeous this hair is looking. I had to use my hands to open up the coils a little so it will give me this, full look and, bouncing. Yes, it's really bouncing. So I love it. Okay, so that's the side part there. Wow, it's beautiful. So I went ahead to do my center parting. Yes, it's beautiful. So that is it. Beautiful. So please don't forget to leave me your comments. Okay, leave me your comments. Tell me what you love about the video, and share as well. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so that when there's an update, you'll be the first to get it. Okay, so beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Wow, and the hair is super light, very light, and it's soft. Yes, it's really soft. I love it. I love it. Okay, so thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you soon again. Bye.